Hey everybody, it's Jennifer here and welcome back to Bunches of Lunches. This week we went back on the road. We traveled all the way down to Palm Springs, California to meet up with lots of other YouTube families for a convention. And you guys, I'm super excited for this week because we let someone else pick all of our lunches for us, even on the day that we spent at Disneyland. This was such a fun week of lunches and I can't wait to share them with you. So let's get started. Hey guys, and welcome to Monday. So like I said, we are at a YouTuber convention. This one's called Clamor. And unlike other conventions, this one is just the YouTubers themselves. There's no fans. The kids get to test out lots and lots of new toys, and the parents can attend classes on how to make their videos better. So on this day, we started by getting registered. We got our wristbands and we got some swag bags. And then it was time for the Hatchimals Pixie Party. There was so much to do here and so many people. Name your favorite family YouTubers and they were probably here. The kids loved playing with the new Pixies and Miss Lily got her face painted. I think this turned out so cute and I really want to learn how to do this. I want to be a face painter someday. After all the fun, it was time for lunch. So we decided to try the new fun trend where you let the person in front of you choose what you order.
Hi guys!
Are you getting hungry?
Yeah.
What if we let the people in front of us choose our lunch?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. Now, I've seen a lot of people do this on YouTube and I can't wait to give it a try, but it might backfire because we have no idea what it's gonna be and whatever it is gonna be our lunch. So hopefully it's good and we like it. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so right off the bat, I see that there's a ton of cars in the drive-thru and there's actually 2 drive-thrus. So we don't know which one we're gonna be in. We have no idea who's gonna be in front of us. Okay guys, should we go behind the black car or the silver car? Which one looks like it has kids inside?
I don't know.
Because if it has kids inside, maybe they'll order a Happy Meal?
Maybe.
Is that a good strategy?
Yeah.
Okay, so black or silver? Hurry, we gotta pick right now.
Black.
But the silver line is shorter.
Okay, silver.
Okay, what do you think, Daddy?
I think the silver.
Okay, we'll go silver just because it's shorter. Okay, cross your fingers, guys. We'd like to order the same order that the car in front of us got.
Same thing?
Yeah, the same exact thing.
Okay,
Thank you.
you're welcome, 1955, thank you.
Ooh, 1955, you guys.
I don't want any pickles. And I was hoping for Captain Marvel. Dang.
I thought she said no pickles. Did she say extra pickles?
I think she did.
Well, guess what? Lily loves pickles. Okay, so we chose the silver car and I think we picked wrong because this black car in front of us ordered ice cream.
I'm really sorry.
Okay, so we're gonna have to go ahead and part because I don't have our order ready yet. But so far so good. Look, you guys, blue slushies. And there's 3 of them. That's almost perfect. You guys can share, right?
Yeah. Oh, dumb.
You want some?
Thank you.
Thank you. It's so big, I can barely see your face. Okay, open it up, let's see what we got.
What's this box?
A 1/4 pounder?
Maybe.
Hand it to Kenzie. Okay, don't open it yet, Kenzie. Okay, keep going. What's next?
I think another one?
Oh, you got 2. What else?
This?
A 3rd one? Oh, no, it's that. What is that?
The nuggets.
Chicken nuggets. Yay. What else?
And the last 2.
What kind of sauce is it?
I don't know. It's sweet and sour sauce.
Ooh.
Oh,
Okay, let's see what's in this bag.
it's
What's in there?
the first thing I see, I pull out.
Yep, what is it?
Yummy.
Ooh, that's
French fries.
that's a huge thing of French fries.
I don't know where to put it.
Kenzie can hold it. Kenzie, you're holding all the food. Good job, sister. What else? What else is in there?
This?
What is it?
Another corn.
Another burger?
corn.
Whoa. Is that it?
They ordered a lot.
That is a lot of
The
food.
last thing's napkins. Mommy!
And of course, we got 3 of the blue slushies. Whoa, you guys, what do you think? Was this a thumbs up? I think we did pretty good.
Good.
And the person in front of us knew that these burgers were on sale, so they were 2 for $5. I appreciate that. So it wasn't too expensive either. Okay, you guys ready to try a big burger?
Yeah.
Did you ever have a big burger before?
No, but Mackenzie, feel the top, press the top down. It's so comfortable.
Okay.
Everyone, get your
Lily?
nugget.
Okay, shh, guys. Quick, there's somebody coming. Grab your burger, Lily.
Grabbed it, now I'm gonna bite it.
Okay, and go.
What?
Sorta
a lot
good?
of cheese.
A lot of cheese.
There's a lot of cheese.
And there's no pickles or no onions, so it's pretty good. Okay, time to try the sweet and sour sauce. You like it? We've never had this one before. So tell me if you think it's good or just okay. You like it?
It's good. I like it. Like it too.
What do you think, Jack? Thumbs up?
You know what? It tastes exactly like what you put on orange chicken.
Oh, it does?
That's what it tastes like.
Hey guys, and welcome to Tuesday. Now this day is all about the toys. So many new and awesome toys. All of my kids love getting to test out these new toys from lots of different companies. We especially love the new hair gems. I thought the dancing llama was really cute, and Griffin's favorite toys were definitely the Little Tykes toys. He could have stayed there all day. Okay guys, so here's the lunch for today. We have a little deli sandwich with ham and cheese. There's also a rolled up sandwich with, it looks like this is turkey and cheese, tomatoes. We also have lots of cucumbers, some black olive slices, and then a cookie. This one is white chocolate chip macadamia nut. And on the side we have some classic Lay's. Say hi. Is it good?
Hi.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Hey guys, and welcome to Wednesday. Now yesterday was pretty much all about the toys, and today is more about learning. So I'm headed to several different classes while the kids get to hang out with their grandma, who thankfully came along with us, and she's helping us out.
We're at lunch now. Okay. Hi guys. Let's go.
Guys, what are you up to?
We're on the tomatoes.
Okay guys, now sorry it's pretty loud in here. We've got lots of YouTube families having lunch, and here's what we're having today. The main course is a pasta with a cream sauce and basil, and I think these noodles are called orchetti. I'm not exactly sure. Over here we have lots of roasted vegetables. There's potatoes and zucchini, asparagus, purple cauliflower, yellow cauliflower, peppers, and then these are tiny little mozzarella cheese balls. And then there's also lots of desserts to share. Over here we have a teeny tiny tiramisu, and then cannolis, you guys. I just made a bunch of these last week. I'm excited to give those a try. And then we also have a little fruit tart. So I got one of everything. The kids can share these, and they can also have however much vegetables and pasta they'd like to have. Hey guys, and welcome to Thursday. Now, as you can tell, we are not at Clamor anymore. Clamor is done, and instead of going straight home, we came to Disneyland. Yay! Let's go. We're late. We gotta go. And we've got Ma'am with us. Hi, Ma'am. Hi. Cute. Hi. Let me kiss. Yeah. Hey guys! Are you having fun? Is it better now that it's not raining?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. You give it a thumbs up? Oh, 2 thumbs ups. One. Yeah. So for today's lunch, I'm gonna get in line at the Red Rose Tavern, and I'm gonna order whatever the person in front of me orders, plus a few extra things. For the two little kids, I got the kids meal. It's actually pretty big. They're gonna end up sharing it. It comes with a really cute goldfish-shaped Mickey, a goldfish-shaped turkey sandwich. It also comes with a yogurt drink, a side of fruit, which in this case is sliced apples, and then they also get to choose a drink, and my kids love chocolate milk, so they're gonna end up sharing that. And then the two older kids are actually gonna share this adult meal. It's probably gonna be too big for them, but that's okay. Dad can help them out. This is the special Mickey themed cheeseburger. So you can see that it's a bright red and the patty's kind of dark, so it's Mickey Mouse colors for sure. Now this comes with some garlic fries, and that is it. So, and of course we also got some of the gray stuff. Of course this is the gray stuff from Beauty and the Beast, and I do have a separate video on how to make this. If you'd like to check it out, I will link it down below. I got one for the kids to share and one for the adults to share because it is pretty sweet, but I know my mom has never tried this and I wanted to give her the opportunity. I also have some more dried apple slices to go on the side, and of course we'll also have water. This restaurant does have a really great place to fill up your water bottles for free. Is it good?
It tastes like berries.
Just so-so? What do you think?
Like there's a little bit of
Here, have a bite.
Okay. Is it good? Give me a thumbs up. Is it good? Ooh, 2 thumbs up. I take a bite. And you're smiling too. You love those apples, huh? Is it good? Give it a thumbs up. Yeah, look at my camera. Hey guys, and welcome to Friday. So we are back home now. We have lots of unpacking to do. We don't have a lot of groceries, so we're gonna go through another drive-through and let the car in front of us decide what we get. And today we're headed to Wendy's. So hopefully the car in front of us orders a Frosty, because that sounds really good. They have a fish burger. What if we get the fish burger?
I hope not. That sounds yucky.
Not your favorite? I don't know, it's cod. It might be pretty good.
Hi, welcome to Wendy's. My name's Isabella. How may I help you?
Hey there, can we please get the same thing that the car in front of us ordered?
Nice. Okay. It tells me $14.81 at the first window. Thank you.
Awesome, thank you. Hi.
Hello.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That's a lot of drinks, you guys. Okay guys, we're back from Wendy's and here's what we ended up with. First up, we got some Frosties, which I'm super happy about. These are the small size Frosties. Now I have to say we did cheat a little bit on this challenge because the person in front of us only ordered 3 Frosties and I thought the kids would be sad if they didn't get one too. So I did go ahead and order 3 more. So everyone in the family gets to have a Frosty, and it was pretty awesome right now because they're only 50 cents right now. So that's a really good deal for this sort of chocolate milkshake type drink. Now let's go ahead and check and see what's in the bags. I see lots of packets of salad dressing. This is Parmesan salad dressing with some Parmesan crisps. That looks good. And then, let's see. I can tell that these are 2 salads, and it says it's the Parmesan crusted salad, which I think is new. Oh, that looks really good. That looks really good actually. So there's grilled chicken and lettuce, tomatoes, lots of Parmesan cheese, and then it looks like this one is the same. Let's just see. Oh, it's a little bit. This one's kind of nice and neat, and this one's sort of haphazard, but they look like they're pretty much the same, so that's actually really good. I'm excited to have a salad after all of the travel food we've been having. Let's see. We just have more dressing and Parmesan crisps in there, so that'll be good. I think the kids could definitely share this. That'll be plenty for them. And then there's one more thing in here. Let's see. This says chicken, so I'm guessing it's gonna be a chicken sandwich of some kind. Let's see. Let me give it a smell. Oh no, you guys, this is not chicken. It says chicken on the label, but this is very obviously fish because I can smell the fish. So let's see if any of the kids are willing to give us a try. They're not huge fans of fish, but maybe I'll just tell them it's chicken and then they can give it a try. Okay guys, we have our official taste tester. Are you ready to give it a try?
Uh-huh.
Okay, why don't you try the burger first?
This?
Yep, pick it up, give it a try. And you let me know if it's a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Ooh, it looks crunchy. What do you think?
It has pickles in it, so thumbs up.
Ooh, guess what? That sandwich was actually fish. You said you liked it.
It's time to try the salad. I'm excited about this one because I like salad.
You do, but not the tomatoes?
Mm-mm.
Okay, give it a try. Let's see.
How do we like poke it in?
Just poke it.
Poke.
Yeah, try it. Oh, you got some chicken. What do you think? Is it good? This salad looks delicious to me. Okay, now something I know you're gonna like. The Frosty. Give it a try.
You need to finish chewing first.
Okay. Ready to try the Frosty?
Yeah.
You've had Frosties before though, so I'm pretty sure you're gonna like it.
Yum.
Give it a try.
Really yummy.
What do you think? Thumbs up? 2 thumbs up? 2 thumbs up.
You guys give this a thumbs up or a thumbs down or a thumbs sideways?
Thumbs down. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.
Yay! We say yay!